Hold up.
What's up? Ah, hello.
Hello.
Here we are.
I'm going off the right witch. Oh, you're not dear. Start again. Ah! That's an N-gauge level crossing.
Ah,
I think it was quite
you've been
small.
looking for a level crossing, weren't
We
you?
just have to miniaturise everything else. And we got some bargain wagons in there. Some little N-gauge locos, Union Pacific. It's very
What
nice,
is
isn't
that?
it?
No price on that one.
4.
Really?
I don't think it's got a motor in it.
Ah,
Yeah.
right, okay.
It's still nice though. You can still put it in a siding or a shed or something.
Yeah,
couldn't
yeah.
you?
Bit of 3-rail there. Points, £5 each.
The same we bought our first Graham Parish coaches the other day, now we just found some more.
Oh,
Yeah, this one's
are
20.
these the ones that dark?
I think this is different packaging. Obviously they were
No, I
brown and
meant the
cream.
actual. Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, they're different. I think it's a similar coach, a different colour.
20% off. That's not bad. All coaches.
20%.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not bad going, is it?
That's good.
Is that a more modern one or?
No, it's just a Lima Mark II from the 1970s. Got a Lima HO scale Pullman there. Mainline 45.
Is that 30?
38.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's very good condition box. Quite rare to see in that condition, the boxes actually. And we got a blue pug.
Oh, look.
I knew you'd like that. There's a lot of Mainline and Airfix locos here.
It's a small one. That Lima one. How much is that? 34.
34.
All sorts of books. Sorry, I'm coming.
We just push these people out of the way of the bargain box.
Out of the way.
Oh, hello. Bird's eye St. Ivel, right? Similar.
Like it. How cute.
And you got some newer stuff here. I'm saying new, obviously the.
Anything that
it's new.
catches your eye? Is it all new
newish.
styling? So is
Yeah,
that?
most of it is. I think some of these are the older style boxes on the back there. They're the newer ones there, look, up there. This is the previous packaging, so they're not
They have them all written on the first one, on those.
Right,
Notice
okay.
there's a crab.
I recognise that. That was one of your previous videos, wasn't it?
Oh, Rick.
I'm sure it were.
Look at that. What's that on top?
That's the triangle battle thing, yeah. Yeah, it was. There's the missile there and it flies off and it hits the truck and explodes.
Right, of course.
I'm trying to think of the action set. We were looking at one in the catalogue the other night, weren't we?
Yeah.
And there's the horse box I bought when I was with my mum.
Sorry, thank you.
I think that's 37 there, the railroad one. It's packaging, isn't it?
Oh, I like that.
It's a bit new for us, but it is a really
Yeah.
nice livery, isn't it?
How much is it?
55.
Oh, that's not bad, that.
It's not bad for newer, is it?
No.
And 40 in green as well, that's nice. That's only 55.
And what's this one?
That's too new for us, that's the 66. Give me the numbers.
Ah,
Oh, that's nice as well. So that'll be the newer Hornby, which is the ex-Lima, but not the same as the newest.
that's 50.
And there's a police one again.
Do you like that one?
I keep seeing that, but
He sees a lot, though, to be fair. I should imagine you... All the same, aren't you?
And if we bought all the ones we like, we'd be living on the road.
Yep. If you were lucky.
If we were lucky, yeah.
You just have no electric to run anything.
Then again, we are going to freeze to death this year, aren't we?
We are.
Yeah, make the most of it, yeah.
Electricity again.
Look at that big whopper there.
To say, route of the steamliners. Isn't it lovely? It's a big one, isn't it? Some more coaches here.
There's an awful lot here, isn't there? I really should show something.
£8 for that one. Oh, a lot of these are unboxed as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about.
I was looking at these. My fake car.
Oh,
Very nice.
that is nice, that.
Hey,
Reduced to
35.
35.
Yeah, it's very new though, that's why. It's the latest
Ah.
tooling around the box.
Yeah, those super detailed ones.
They're lovely,
Yeah.
aren't they?
They do look it.
Should have a look down there.
Oh, go on then. Let's find some
Can we
mainline
just-
wagons. Fancy
No, we'll have
that.
to have a look at this actually.
Oh, right, okay.
Sure, we got some Mainline Wagons in the
There's some here, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you
Cheers.
spotted them.
That Fleichmann. Some weight in that.
Is
gorgeous.
there?
Yeah.
How much is that one?
That's 75. But the quality of these is fantastic. Obviously the Continental not suitable for us, but they are really nice. There's another one there. Little Fleischmann tank
Oh,
engine.
look at that.
That's 50.
Wow.
Lovely, isn't it? Right, shall we see what we can see in here?
Go on then, see if
I'll
there's
start
anything.
here.
Let me come
Emily.
down. Oh, hang on.
So we got the Mainline one.
Mm-hmm.
So I think these are all going to be the similar price, but it's not on it. It's been weathered, that one. Does it say how much they are?
I don't think so.
No. Is any we haven't got? Got that. Got that.
What is it?
These are all very similar. I've got them all.
Oh, what a shame.
Evans, Bevan. I've
Ah,
not got that one, but I'll have to coach. Oh, that's nice.
diamond. Yeah, it's nice that.
Langley Miniature Models Great Western Diesel Rail Car.
Oh,
Engage.
yeah.
Ever seen one of those before? On top there.
Graham Parish. Did say it was normally engaged, the Graham
Yeah.
Parish, didn't
Oh, there
you?
you go.
Oh, that's nice.
£90.
Those are Pico ones.
Shall we move? Where should we go? Similar to what we got the other day. Ours is an LMS one.
Ah. Tornado.
Which one is that? Let's see. Can I have a look at
Wow.
that? Well, that's a later one, it's not the Manchester Regiment. The later ones have working lights, I think.
Ah, right, I see.
Yeah, it's just the first ones that don't.
Oh, this livery.
Mid-90s, it's quite nice. I think it's a little bit late, we could maybe stretch a little bit and get something brighter in. Look at the coaches around here.
Yeah.
Is there anything we need here? Some more Graham Farish. We never see them, do we?
And then
They're
all of a
turning
sudden,
up, yeah. Those are, look at those. Those are new.
I don't know if I like them.
You
They
know?
look a bit
I think they're gorgeous.
fake. Do
Well, they're
you?
not though, they're brand new, aren't they?
I know, and
That's what they were like.
no.
Okay. Let's have a quick look at some of these locos that catch my eye. That's obviously new, brand new, 130.
Oh, is that for Christmas?
What for you, with me? You see them on the locos, but not in the rolling stock. It was quite rare.
Premium, weren't it?
I'm not sure what it was. I don't know. It's you don't see it that often.
No.
Very rarely, but how did they? I mean, Top Link back in the day, it was a real train, wasn't it? It was like the express trains. But how they've done it on here, I mean, it's... I don't know.
No, less detail with just.
No idea. I mean, it looks quite well detailed, but... I don't
Is
know.
it enough? You don't know.
I don't know.
How long are they going to last?
Ooh, how many can we see?
Because if they're as thin as the metal ones,
Oh yeah.
you get in the
Hello again. I was going to show you something there, but where was
Sure.
it?
Hiya.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Yes, good, thank you.
I just lost what I was going to show you.
You've lost it already?
Yeah. We've got the 6-wheel vans, we've got the milk one there and a sausage one there.
Yeah.
Very
Have we got
popular
the
those.
Grimsby fish yet?
No, I tell you, I don't like the Lima Wagons.
Oh, right,
What
okay.
was I going to show you? Ah. Which one's that?
Oh, that obviously so much for that. You cabling 20 odd pound a drum.
We picked one of these up the other day, didn't we?
Yeah.
Remember the one I needed the wheels cleaning on?
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
If you could somehow
I want to find some of those Airfix wagons.
Quite chunky.
right, you know, raise the scale.
Battle Zone, that's the came. They introduced the Battle Zone. When you had the one with the rockets that fired, they did it in a train set. So that was the loco that pulled them.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite chunky that. I've not seen that before.
So we got in here. Loads and stuff.
Oh, love it. Even
Perfect
better.
matches as well, doesn't it? Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Alright, see you, mate. So we seem to be buying a lot of buses, don't we? Should we put that in there as well?
That would, yeah, but that's one you've not seen.
Well, there's a
and
story behind that.
Can I
I'll
give
tell you
you-
about later, yeah.
Is there any more in my bag? How many have we just
Look at all
bought?
this here. No, just two.
Oh, right, okay.
I got Charlie's Angels. Oh, look at that. Got my favourite car ever, the Jaguar XJS.
Oh,
Fantastic cars. Unreliable. Hard to work on, a lot of money, about 10 miles to gallon, but they're brilliant. Apart from that, they're fantastic. Look at that.
I know.
What is it? Hornby auto rails. It's Hornby. It's unusual.
Yeah.
Look at that as well. That's fantastic here. Oh,
What's the
Spectre
phone?
Morse
Ah,
and Charlie's Angels. This is all TV stuff here.
yeah.
That old Tour de France in the 70s. That's fantastic.
Filming, yeah.
It's really good. Yeah. Even got the Godfather. You got Marilyn Monroe's car there. Is it Cadillac or something? With the 18 van, Starsky and Hutch.
Oh, I like Starsky and Hutch.
Schumacher's Ferrari from 2000. It's his first world championship in Ferrari. Batman. Look at that. Transit. Look at this. Oh, there, you've got your weathered Starsky and Hutch. You know what was that from a particular episode or something where it got all muddy?
Don't know, I don't like it.
Going in the LA River or something?
I like the shine on that.
Yeah, it's the flying tomato, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that little Fiat there.
Oh.
Fiat?
Look.
I like that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. I thought it was a bluebird, but it's not.
No.
Oh, dinky Toys Hovercraft.
Oh, fab's that.
That's really good, isn't it? I'd love to go on one of those, but they don't use them anymore. You see them going across the channel, didn't they? There was two
Yeah.
of them. They're at the Hovercraft Museum down south somewhere, Southampton or Plymouth, something like that.